Hi, my name is Karen Collin. I am going to show you how to do Pinterest today. Um, I just created a new account, and when you create a new account, it just asks you some questions like your age, and it asks you to choose things you're interested in. So you can choose like nutrition, hairdressing, literally like it goes through so many different there's so many different options. These are like some of the options that it asks you to check when you first sign up, just like so it can personalize your pins. Pins are different like posts that people can post. So for instance, if I was on Pinterest and I found something on the internet that I really liked, I could upload a recipe or whatever on Pinterest and it would become a pin. So when you find something that you really like, you can save it for later, which is a really awesome option because you can come back to it. So like let's say I really liked this one. Easter's coming up and I'm looking for options for crafts in my class. I can have a whole pin just based on Easter crafts, or a whole board based on Easter crafts. You can create boards for anything and everything. A lot of people use this for their wedding, um, like wedding inspiration or even like party ideas. There's so many great options on Pinterest and you can explore everything. So like let's say like I was looking for crafts to make in my class or even like this is a really good resource for FACS teachers to use because you can like just Google something broad like family and consumer science and you can scroll through what's on here. Let's see. So yeah, there's just a lot of really awesome options. And like there's even lesson ideas. And you can like visit the site, you can press this, or if I wanted to save it, I could put it to a board. Um, so like let's just say I want to save it for my child development class, so I just save it for later and I just create a board and it would be saved for me. Or else I could send it to someone, I could send it via Facebook, Twitter, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, anything. You can send it to an email, or you can even send it via like Pinterest, which is awesome. So like if I wanted to send it to a friend, I could like send it to that. Or I could send, when it's connected to like my Facebook, it connects my Facebook friends or people that I follow. So I can like send pins to people that I'm friends with. You can like even search for people that you know. So like let's say I'm looking for my friend Annie R and I want to follow her. I can follow her. And after I follow her, I can look at everything she pins and I can like check out her boards and stuff, and everything else that she has on Pinterest. I can even message her. So just like it's an awesome site because it has a social media component as well, and you can connect with people on it. Um, so it's just a really good place to organize your thoughts. I would definitely recommend this for a FACS teacher. I'd recommend making a bunch of different boards for each class and pinning possible lesson ideas or even just like content that you want to cover because it's a really good place to come back to and look at the stuff that you've saved. And even like if you're trying to search for inspiration, this is a really great website to go on. So that's all I have about Pinterest. I, Karen Collin, allow my technology tutorial to be posted on the North Dakota FACS Google site and or distributed through the FACS listserv. So thanks for listening, guys.